Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam game error, and the error is an Unreal process has crashed UE-HLL Vietnam error on PC. So if you're getting this error in Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC, and after PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX12 or -DX11. So open Steam, right click on the game and then select properties. Now in the launch option, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run easy anti-cheat EO setup file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder, open the easy anti-cheat folder, and here you will see easy anti-cheat EO setup exe file. Just double click it to run it. And after running the easy anti-cheat EO setup file, just launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, select manage, click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first double click this launch HLL.exe file and check if that works or not. If not, then you can also double click the HL Vietnam exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then open this folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder. Now first double click this Win64 zipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update your graphic card driver. So NVIDIA users can update their graphic card via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via the AMD Adrenal software. So you have to update your graphic card driver to the latest version. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open it. Then go to the drivers tab and then click on this check for updates option. And if there are any updates available, you will see the download button. Just have to download it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder. Now first select this exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Also select this launch HLL exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Also select start protected game exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed, browse all apps. Open the HLL Vietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select this Win64 zipping exe file and then click on open. Now go back. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder. Select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, browse. Select this exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, browse. Select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open this HLLVietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Win64 zipping exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added, here it is, and after adding it make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can disable your antivirus program. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, select properties. Now go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder, open HLL Vietnam folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Win64 zipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select the high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9, set high performance in NVIDIA control panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA control panel app and then open it. Then click on manage 3D settings, go to program settings and then click on add, and from the list select Hell Let Loose Vietnam game and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see Hell Let Loose Vietnam in this list, then click on browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Hell Let Loose Vietnam folder, open HLL Vietnam folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this exe file, Win64 zipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add selected programs. And after adding it, from the drop down here select high performance and then hit on apply, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So again in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then expand the advanced graphic settings and here we'll see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, you scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version, download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to rename or delete Hell Let Loose Vietnam saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings, and you have to start from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to rename or delete the Hell Let Loose Vietnam saved game folder. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, then open the local folder, and here look for the HLL Vietnam folder. Now this is the save game folder. Now first right click on it and then select copy, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup of this folder, now you can rename it or delete it. So simply right click on it and then select rename, and then you can rename it to any name, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can also simply right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and select properties. Now here you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 14 is to set graphic settings to medium low if able to launch the game. Now if you're able to launch the game, then set the video graphic settings to medium or low and then check. So simply launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then go to the video tab, and here you will see the master quality. Just select it to medium, or you can also select low and check which one works for you. Fix 15 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update, and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Hell Let Loose Vietnam game, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game. You can reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If you already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve an unreal process has crashed UE-HLLVietnam error on PC in the game Hell Let Loose Vietnam. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.